This video reviews how to use the Python library OpenPyXL to change the numeric value of a cell to be a percentage. Here is our testing document with 3 values in the first row: 0.4523 in column A, ABC in column B, and 20 in column C. I will affect each of these cells to make them be a percentage instead of the general number format that they are given by default. I'll work through each of these examples one at a time with Python. Here I'm bringing in the workbook as WB, and I'm selecting the worksheet as WS. I will then be saving the work in the cell below. Converting the cell to a percentage is actually quite easy. You just access the number format attribute of the specific cell that you are interested in on the worksheet. To this attribute, I assign a string of text representing the way I would like the percentage to be displayed. It's that simple. Let's run this and check that we accurately changed the content of the cell. And there you go. Now our decimal number is displaying as a percentage. Let's see what happens now when trying to convert the letters in column B. All I need to do here is make sure I'm changing A to B for the column and run the code. And it seems to have executed okay. Let's check out the workbook and see if anything happened. Nothing seems to have changed here, so it actually accepted the change from general format to percentage. And I actually found this surprising. I would have expected an error to be thrown, since it is a string of text and not a number, but no luck. So you can actually store strings in a cell that is formatted as a percent. Kind of strange, but okay. For the last one, we have a whole number, 20. I want to show you how simple it is to change it to a decimal for the proper percentage display. The first line here is accessing the value attribute of the cell C1, which we know to be 20. To that value attribute, we are going to assign the result of a mathematical operation. We will take that value and divide it by 100. Pretty straightforward. This will yield 0.20. Next, I just assign the number format attribute the same string format as I have done in the previous 2 cells. Let's execute this and open the workbook to make sure that we did this correctly. And there it is. We have 20% displaying nicely. So it's quite easy. Just access the number format attribute of the cell and pass it a string of how you want the percentage to be displayed. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if this was a helpful video and if there are other features of OpenPyXL, Python, or Excel in general that you would like to see reviewed in future videos. Please do hit that thumbs up button if you liked it. That really does help others find this content. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video drops.